Life Ministries Uganda ekatandika omwaka gwa 1971 n'ekigendererwa ky'okubuulira enjiri y'okujonwa na munonga okuleetaho obuteeka omu maka hamwe n'okubutuura emicwe omu minyeeto. Life Ministries Uganda etongozibwa izooba lya nyamwabazyo omu district ya Ntungamo omu butongore ahabwa South Western Uganda ahabebembezi bashoboreire aha nsonga egi.
This region has a special place in the heart of God. When we've had the national anthem, the East African anthem, but there's what I believe is the anthem for the church, for the faith in Uganda.
Kandi tuija n'ekiconco kitwareta omu kicweka eki firimu eyitwareta okugenda na Yesu. Ni firimu nungi munonga kandi ntija kuba ntugisya abantu.
We began to get our daughters pregnant and all the different things. Where is the answer? The answer is rebuilding our families based on the principles of God.
David Bahati ol minister w'ebyobushubuzi kandi obirajwekire mukuru w'ihanga President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asingize omurimo gukozirwe omu kibiina kya Life Ministry Uganda.
To the Father through Jesus the Son.
Okutongoza ruhanga terimo kugira chifu tiarimo okufekwa. Ka national director witu yatugambira ati twire turatunge sente ziraruga aheru konka hatiya turena munitwe kwega kaba Life Ministry n'aba supporting umurimo gwa ruhanga.
Omu butumwa bwa President Museveni obushomerwe Minister David Bahati ashabire abanyadiini okukwatanisa na gavumenti okurwanisa obworo hamwe n'obushomanguzi.
We have to work together to eradicate poverty, to combat diseases, to fight corruption and provide a country with a moral compass.
Bitu Noble Life Ministry Uganda erikwenda okurwanisa obutabanko maka ori omunyishengerokazi ahabwa Ntungamo Batakamatens ashabira abanyadiini okubanza bashomesa abantu aha bugabe bw'amaka.
Church ebanze kwatagane na families begese abakazi begese munyeto bagambe n'abashija abakwatirine n'obugabe bw'abana obugabe bw'abakazi.
We are very proud, and we are the first team. Yes. The first team of Western MPT to be trained up to TOT.
Life Ministry Uganda etongozibwe omu butongore omu South Ankole Uganda kandi neegita abanyadiini ahekigendererwa kyabo n'okurebuka ngu baburira enjiri y'amazima hamwe n'okujono. Gasha kwa Simon Ayamba.